Hi, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to find hidden files on an Android phone. All you need to do is to enable the option that shows hidden items in your file manager. The first step you have to take is to make sure you go to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device and download File Manager or Files. So I already have File Manager and Files on my device, so I'll just select I'm going to make use of File Manager. So right here, all you have to do is to click on the gear icon found at the top right corner of your screen. You're going to see the option that says show hidden files. You can see that the toggle is being turned off. All you have to do is to click on it in order to turn it on. So right here, I've turned this toggle on. The next thing I have to do is to go back. You can restart your phone by clicking on the power button option here. Click on the restart option and restart your phone. That way it will make the file to be in the folder when you go back to your folder. So you just go back to your folder, you will see the hidden file. And take note, hidden files usually start with a dot. For example, this. So guys, that is it on how to find hidden files on Android phone. If this video was helpful, please do also like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.